This is the new Samsonite x-tralight 29-inch spinner that I just bought. It says it weighs less than 10 pounds. This is just showing you an overview of it. It's got the 2-inch, I think it's 2-inch extension right here. So that opens up if you need the 2-inch extension on it. Alright, there's a handle on this side. Alright, this is what it says 10-year warranty. Samsonite. There's my other tag. 29-inch. You got a zipper on the front. It is about deep, so you can see how deep it is. Okay, then we got this on the front. Here we go, that's the inside of the front. It does feel pretty light, I mean, for the size, at least. This is the back of it. Handle. Let's look at the bottom of it. So you can see the type of wheels that it has. Those are the type of wheels that it has. Not the dual wheels, it has the single ones. Rubber. Don't say like ball bearing and all that other stuff, but I got it on sale, so I mean, I got a very good deal on it. There's another handle on the bottom. Alright, let's open it up. Oh. There's the thing, there it is. So there's the zipper. That's where the lock goes. It's not like the hard ones that have, what's it called? It's not like the hard ones that have the lock built in, which would be pretty cool if they had that on here, but they don't. So this is what the inside looks like. I should probably stand it up for you. I'll stand it up. Yeah, only if that worked out. Alright, that's what the inside looks like. Got this pocket in here. There's some stuff. Another pocket here. Another zipper. That's about it. That's the inside of it. Comes with these straps. Let me just squeeze them. Squeeze the strap, squeeze the little button, and then it pops right off right here. It's pretty simple. Squeeze and it comes right off. Alright. You got another pocket right here. I don't know. It's probably like 15 inches. Maybe 18 inches. That's about it. I got the blue color because if you know my favorite color or know anything about me, my favorite color is blue. So usually like to get things in blue. And this is zipping it up. to the front. Very easy to zip it up. Haven't used it yet, just bought it, and that's it. Samsonite x-tralight 29-inch spinner.